Guys, close your eyes for a second. Picture this. That satisfying click-clack sound of physical keys. That solid, substantial grip. That feeling that you are holding a tool, not a toy. If you are burnt out on these fragile glass sandwiches we carry around today, wake up. I've got news that's going to reignite the tech lover in you. They say what's gone is gone, but true legends don't die, they respawn. Buckle up, because the OG is back. The king of buttons returns in a 5G avatar. Are you ready for the BlackBerry Key 3 5G? That's right, the rumor mill is on fire, and if the leaks are true, this isn't just a comeback, it's a revolution. Let's unbox the rumors, and see what this beast is packing. Let's dive in. Features of the BlackBerry Key 3 5G. Design and display. Let's talk aesthetics because first impressions are everything. BlackBerry has finally given us exactly what we craved. Down at the bottom, that glorious, physical QWERTY keypad. There is nothing like the tactile feel of real buttons. And yes, the RGB notification LED is reportedly back. That blinking light, pure nostalgia, but don't get it twisted, this isn't a relic from 2010. Sitting right above those keys is a rumored 4.65-inch Full HD Plus LCD display. And here is the kicker, it's rocking a 120Hz refresh rate. Just imagine that combo. The tactile feedback of the keys mixed with the buttery smoothness of a high refresh rate screen. That mix is going to set the market on fire. Camera setup. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's a BlackBerry, the camera is gonna be potato quality. Boss, put that thought away. This time, BlackBerry is coming for your Instagram Reels, not just your Outlook emails. According to the leaks, we are looking at a massive 108 megapixel main sensor on the back. Yeah, 108. You can punch in on those photos all day, and the details will stay crisp. And for the front, a 13 megapixel shooter, so whether it's a high-stakes Zoom call or a quick selfie, we are finally seeing no compromises. Performance. But is this just all looks, or is there actual power under the hood? Listen to this. The device is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. That is flagship territory, people. This means you can be typing a serious email on the keyboard, while crushing PUBG in the background without a single stutter. In security, it's a BlackBerry. It'll run the latest Android OS, fortified with BlackBerry's legendary ironclad security suite. Battery backup. Now, let's talk about the one thing that gives us all anxiety, battery life. Here, the math is beautiful. You have a relatively smaller screen, paired with a massive 5500 mAh battery. Do the math, guys, this phone just won't die. Leaks suggest it's an easy 2-day phone for the average user. Forget your charger at home. No sweat, this thing is built for endurance. Price and launch date. Finally, the million-dollar question, do I need to sell a kidney for this? Good news, reports are hinting at a price tag right around $300. For these specs, that flagship chip, and that iconic design. That is insane value for money. As for the release date, we could see this hitting shelves by the middle of this year.